Now to remove the water pump, you see there is the water pump here. I take out the two 10 bolts. These are the 10 bolts, this one here, and the other one is this one here. I'm left with one of it on top of the pump there. I am having problems in terms of reaching out with one hand. So I need to take out the last bolt here. The last bolt is here. So I need to take it out. There we go. It's a loose water pump. Is easy to take out the bolts here. I can put a socket in here so that it will be easy for me to screw it out quicker. So it's I can feel it's out already, the water pump thing. So the water pump is gonna be easy to take it out. So we take out the water pump here for Hyundai. Let's take out the water pump. We'll take out the water pump. It's like this. Taking out the water pump. So we take out the water pump. Take out the water pump here. Let's take out the water pump. So the bolt is out already. There is out. The only thing is we need to. Oh, there is another bolt left here, which we need to take out again because we cannot force it out. Oh, sorry. Okay, I need to put this one here. I'm using one hand to do everything I'm doing. So it's gonna be much harder for me to properly being stable. Taking out the video. Okay, there we go. I know they are softy, the bolts, because it's a water pump. Water pump, I've never seen bolts to be difficult when you're taking out the water pump. I always find them softy to remove the water pump. It's always a softy way to take out the water pump. Let's strip out the water pump, and this is the water pump taking out, and this bolt is the last one. So there are 4 bolts on the water pump. There will be 4 bolts on the water pump there. So we take out these 4 bolts now. The water pump. So this bolt must be out. Yes, it's out. So let's confirm. There is another one, to be 5. I don't know why I'm counting in the reverse direction. There are 5 bolts on a water pump. They are not 4, they're 5. And they're all size 10 bolts. So there's another one here. Another one here. This one, I don't know whether my ratchet will save it in. It gets in. Right, I think it's in there. Let's take out that one. It's easy to take it out. Let's take out this one here. Water pump. I guess this water pump is dead because this car overheated. So when a car overheats, the water pump will never be good. Will never. If it's good, it will surprise me. Maybe I'm wrong, but we'll guess there is 5 bolts. Let's see. There's no more bolts for the pump. Yeah, there's no more bolts for the pump. I need to heat it with something so that it can come out from here. You can heat it sometimes. You can heat it. You can heat it. Avoid the hammering with the hammer. You see? I hate it. You see the water starts spilling because it's spilling. The water came out. All the water was blocked here. I don't know why this thing was blocked. Now you can see the water pump was rusty. But it looks right. The water pump looks very right. It looks very, very right. To me, it's just rusty. But it's okay. It's never been burned. Anyway, I'm done on the water pump. And we'll see the other part. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.